These are the RokBlokz Mud Flaps. Now, installation on these should be particularly easy. This one's a rear, this one's the front, and I've already done the other side. And so I can say with honesty, these are super, super easy. I've already taken off the little push clips here. Let's get these thrown on and show you guys how to install them. All right, for the front hardware, we've got a couple screws and washers. And the only thing to really pay attention to is you do have one screw that's physically longer than the others, and you've got a 5mm spacer, which will go here underneath the mud flap. And I'll show you guys. First things first, you wanna pop the lower push clip out of the bottom here. I've removed this one just to make things a little bit easier. And then these three here should all just come right out. And then with that exposed, you can go ahead and put on your clips like that. They do kind of snap into place, which is nice. So there's that, and that. Get this back into place. Of course, you want the logo facing backwards towards the back of the car. So first one I like to do is the bottom one, and we're gonna take our long screw, put it through, and then the spacer, and just thread it on by hand. Don't need to tighten it down yet. We're gonna take our other screws and do the same thing. Just thread it on by hand. You know, please do not utilize the washer here on the back. Just the lower one. Okay. And then we're just gonna screw those down. I don't wanna get them super tight yet. So we still wanna be able to have a little bit of wiggle room there. And that actually looks pretty good. Okay. A little bit more there. There, that feels good. So that one's done. We'll put our push clip back in the bottom and then move on to the back. All right, and then for the back side, we've got 3 screws, 3 washers, yet only 2 clips. That's because we do have to drill into the plastic piece. Really isn't too bad, I'll show you guys. All right, so first things first, we just wanna grab our clips and we're just gonna throw them on like so. Again, they'll kind of click into place. There we go. Okay. And grab our mud flap. Remember, logo goes towards the back of the car. And thread that on. Grab your other hardware, your other screw, and thread that on. And we just want to, like, you know, get these snug but not tight. We still want to have some wiggle room there, okay? Now what you want to do is square these up. Kind of want them parallel with the ground or whatever look you're going for. You want to get them as close as you can. It doesn't need to be perfect right now because these are slotted, and so you still have the ability to change it once, you know, you drill. But I'm pretty happy with that. And what I do is I kind of, it's gonna be hard to do this on camera, but press in 1/8 drill bit, like so. Grab your screw and washer. Find the hole. Okay. Then double check your fitment. Looks pretty dang good. Okay, I'm happy with that. These are installed. Throw your wheels back on and you are good to go. And that's it. The install is done. Super easy and it looks freaking cool. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Always happy to help. See you guys on the next one.